Good day, everybody. I hope you're all fine. Welcome to my channel. So please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. So today we'll be doing an interesting questions about sequence and series. But today I want us to focus on what you call arithmetic pattern, arithmetic sequence, arithmetic projection. So they are saying that the sum of the second and sixth terms of an arithmetic sequence is 4. So let's wait there. What they just told us it is that the sum of the second term, the sum it is what? Plus, right? So you know that the sum of the second term and what? Sixth term, it is what? 4. That's what we have for now. But now check something. We have to what you call isolate this T2 and T6, because you know that this Tn, this thing, it is Tn and Tn, but that n was substituted by 2 and 6. But you know that we have the general formula, which is Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. So let's start. I'm gonna start with what? T2. T2, it is equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. Is it fine? Now this one, it is the same as saying Tn is equals to, but now it is now what? T2. So I'm gonna continue. T2, it is gonna be equals to a plus, now what do we have? 2 minus 1 times d. What is d? It is d. Can you see it? So T2, it is going to be equals to a plus d, because 2 minus 1, it is 1. 1 times d, it is d there, as you can see. So now T2 is equals to a plus d. That's what we have, right? And then now when we are going to continue, I'm going to take T6, it is equals to. So it is the same as a plus a minus 1 times d. And then T6, it is going to be equals to a plus 6 minus 1 times d. So therefore T6, it is going to be equals to a plus 5d. 6 minus 1, it is 5. 5 times d, it is what? 5d. So now we can conclude that T2 plus T6, it is equals to 4, because that they said that the sum of the second and sixth, the second and sixth, it is what? Equals to 4, because this is the sum. So when you add them, so now what is T2? T2 is a plus d. T6, a plus 5d equals to 4. Then let's do like terms. A plus a, 2a, d plus 5d, 6d equals to 4. This one will be our equation 1. Can you see it? Now let's go to the next statement. Is it fine? So now the third term is 24 more than. So the third term, it is the same as what? T3. Okay, so they're saying that the third term is 24 more than the 11th term. Can you understand it? So that statement simply means that here we have what? It is the same as saying T3, it is equals to T11 plus 24, because they're saying that the third term is 24 more than the 11th term. Can you see it? So now this is what we have. So now I'm gonna do the same thing and start with T3 here, which is equals to a plus n minus 1 times d, right? And then now it is gonna be T3 equals to what is the value of a? It is a plus 3 minus 1 times d there. Is it fine? So now T3, it is gonna be equals to a plus 2d, because 3 minus 1, it is 2. 2 times d, it is what? 2d. Then now let's go to what? T11. It's going to be T11 is equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. So T11, it is equals to a plus 11 minus 1 times d. So therefore T11 is equals to a plus 10d. Is it fine? So now let's do what I just said right now. Now we have what? T3, it is equals to T11 plus 24. Is it fine? So now it is gonna be what? What is T3? T3 is a plus 2d, right? And then now, what is it equals to? It is equals to T11. T11, it is what? A plus 10d, then plus 24. Okay. Oh, I forgot to I forgot to tell you the question there. The question says that we must determine what? The general term. We must determine the general term. I forgot. They want the general term of the sequence. So now when you are done, you're gonna do like terms. It is gonna be a plus 2d minus 10d, or this one is a minus equals to 24. So let me take this a to the other side. This is gonna cancel. Then you're gonna have 2d minus 10d, which is negative 8d, equals to 24. Therefore my common difference, it is equals to what? Negative 3, because I'm going to divide both sides by negative 8. So after that, we have to get the value of what? Of a. So let me take equation 1 there. Is it fine? So now it is going to be what? Substitute to equation 1. So now it is going to be what? 2a plus 6d is equals to 4. Then 2a plus 6 times negative 3 is equals to 4. 2a minus 18, it is equals to 4. Therefore 2a, it is going to be equals to 22, because I'm going to take 18 to the other side. So now I can conclude that therefore the value of 8 is equals to 11, because that is what I have. Now we can now conclude and get what? The general term that you want, because I have the value of a, of d, and the value of a. So now Tn, it is equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. Tn, it is equals to 11 plus n minus 1 times d, which is negative 3. Is it fine? And then now Tn, it is equals to 11 plus minus 11 minus 3n plus 3. Therefore our Tn, it is gonna be equals to negative 3n plus what? This paper plus 14. Okay, so Tn, it is equals to negative 3n plus 14. That is what we have there. Can you see it? So now that's how we did it. It is a simultaneous equation that is complicated, but there's nothing much. The main thing it is to check what you have there. So this is our general term. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and then share.